Hi, I'm Steve Richardson and welcome to my latest video. Now, many law firms don't succeed, meet their goals, grow, or operate efficiently because the managing partner or attorney that owns the practice doesn't grasp a very important concept. Well, the good news is that if the attorney understands and embraces that concept, his or her practice will have a much better chance of success. You want to know what it is? Well, I'll tell you. They need to understand that they're not an attorney running a law practice. They're an entrepreneur of a business and its CEO. But there's more to it than that. It goes further. As the CEO of that business, there are 5 things that they need to do in order to thrive. Now, the first thing is they have to have vision. They have to have a purpose, a goal. What are you doing with your law firm? You have to set the direction of your law firm and communicate it clearly and consistently to your team. You have to live it, breathe it, and embody it. You have to be a carrier who infects your team with your dream, your passion, and commitment to a better and brighter future for them and your firm. That's vision. Number 2, you gotta have the right people. You can't do it all yourself. A lot of businesses don't go out of business, they grow out of business because they can't scale. At some point, you're going to grow to the point where you can't do everything and you have to have a good team. You got to have people. Now, you got to find, hire, and train these people and get good ones. Don't just hire anybody. Uh, know what you want them to do, and more importantly, know who you want them to be. The greatest leverage you have to grow your law firm is found in your people. Third, you have to develop a good culture, a good office environment in your firm, make it a good place to work. You should invest in creating an amazing culture that values your people and equips them to maximize their talents and abilities so they can perform at peak levels. In other words, they have to want to come to work. They want to enjoy the work process. They want to work hard for you because they know that by working for you and with you, you can all achieve something. And you have to create that great culture. And that's your job as CEO to do it. Now, the fourth is understanding that you're not just the CEO, you're also the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer. All right. You need to know your numbers. Okay. And if you don't, you should. It's one thing to make money. It's another to manage it. Your old CEO requires that you understand the ins and outs of all the finances of your firm. Is your money working for you? Is it being spent in the right places? If you're spending it on things that aren't succeeding, either systems in your office or marketing, then you need to stop doing what isn't working and apply that money to what is working. So know your numbers. And finally, number 5, you got to have some thinking time. All right, you need to set aside some time to think about this stuff. I have a previous video that you can watch about having a timeout chair in your office, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. But you need to think about that and have some time to think. Everything moves so fast these days, we don't take time to think. And if you're looking for clarity on an issue, that's something you need to do. You need to step back and think. And not only think on a strategic level, you can't go just running around doing tactical things. You have to have a plan and you have to continue to work on that plan, that strategy. And also more from a meta level, in overall what the purpose, value, and mission of your practice is, and whether those strategies and tactics are in alignment with that. Now, there's only one person who is ultimately responsible for the success of your law firm, and that's you. Right? You have to you have the title of CEO, and that's who you're looking in the mirror at every day. So start being a CEO and start doing those 5 things. Now, as far as hiring good people are concerned, check out my video on your team being comfortable with change, as well as a video on a killer interview question that you should be asking when you're looking for a new team member. So, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe to help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.